my denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous. I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty room, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, what have I done? Was everything worth this? I guess I deserve this.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. How you guys doing? How's your week, your life? How's everything been? It's currently, oh my goodness, 8:34 a.m. in the morning. Today's Saturday and welcome to my birthday vlog. Hey! My birthday is in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, is in 4 days. So basically this vlog is going to be me taking you guys with me. I'm not celebrating anything major, but so I'm going out a day before my birthday. So I'll be going out on my birthday is on Wednesday. I'll be going out on Tuesday with my friends, but I'll be leaving the house from like Sunday because we outside. Yeah. So today I'm going to do my nails. I have a nail appointment for 10 and I have to go I have a wedding today as well with my friend. My weekend is packed. I'm going to get my dress. I've not gotten my dress. I'm going to get my dress, then go do my nails, then go for the wedding. So yeah, your girl is turning 20. Ooh, ooh. I'm running late now, so let's go and yeah. So I just picked up my clothes from my auntie that she sews, and God knows I've spent so much time here, man. My appointment is for 10 and it's currently 9:50. My nail appointment is for 10 and it's currently 9:50. Hopefully I can get there. I know I drive like a crazy person, but I don't think I can make it in 10 minutes. I still need to get flow. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Let's go. Like, is this place cursed? It's just 9:59 a.m. Tell me what is causing traffic this early morning. I'm tired of this Lagos, I swear. I'm tired.
One eternity later.
Yo, guys. Lagos traffic will humble you. Guys, it's 10:35. I've been in traffic for 35 minutes. Yo, the traffic is crazy. What's going on? And it's not even raining today. Oh, it rained yesterday, but like everywhere is calm now. And there's no even... I don't know. Please get me out of here. I can literally see the gate of the estate, but I can't enter because of the traffic. Lagos traffic 1, Bosola 0, almost 11, and I'm here already. So let me just go in. They'll still do the nails for me, if not, they will for me because I already paid down. So, yeah.
street light at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden.
Hey guys, so updates. I was vlogging. Why are you looking at me like that? Can you guys see me? We're out of the party now. And how do you feel? This girl carried me to party.
Very foolish.
This girl carried me
She
to
came at the end of the party.
This girl,
Nobody
is calling.
around.
This girl carried me to party that there's no food.
That's
Anyway,
a fucking lie.
don't
Like,
swear. You.
sorry.
Oh my god, I don't do that.
Get out of this time. Bye-bye.
Hey loves, how you guys doing? So today's Sunday and I'm headed to the island now. I just came back from church. Well, not just. I came back around 1, yeah, and the time is 3:35. It's about to be a lit holiday. So Tuesday and Wednesday is a public holiday. I took leave from the office from Monday to Friday, so I have the whole week, like the whole of this week off. So it's about to be lit, guys. I'm really obsessing over my nails. Like, they're so pretty because I fix my nails once a year because I don't have time. I'm a press-on babe. See how cute they look. Hopefully there's no traffic because the traffic lately has been crazy, bro. It has been really crazy. I'm going to hang out with my friends. It's going to be fun. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. I'm ginger. Hey guys, you guys should come into my vlog. Don't be shy.
I'm on.
See my girl. Oh girl.
Don't scatter the edges.
No, I'm scattered. Temi has shown you my vlog before. Did you watch that vlog?
Yes.
Oh,
I was your biggest supporter for a while.
until
you went to get your new best friend. What's her name?
Don't tell me Edwina.
Yes. Edwina, I'm coming for you.
Sharon.
Those two. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
So you won't know it for me.
Coming for you.
Oh my god, this guy's cute me. I love all of you. Same.
Shut up.
When did this one become our friend?
Ah. Me and Edwina went to QC.
Because I'm not, I don't fucking care. We went to childhood together.
Oh my
You
goodness.
knew yourself. I knew
Actually, Temi has been my longest friend.
you better.
Okay, so we are going to girl bye. Please pronounce the name of the place again. Bolivar Bar at Admiralty Way. And I'm wearing this cute scarf that my friend just gave me. Demi. Demi. Oh, Demi Lade. Oh, Demi. Demi.
Yeah, let's go.
So yeah, see you guys when we get there. This my lace is struggling sharp, but let's all look.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Good morning. So last night was lit. We got back around. Why just a hater? Like, I hate bad energy in my life. And my friends are bad vibes. So we got back around past 11. The place was pretty chilled, sure. Anyway, today is Monday now. It's a new week, and as I told you guys, I'm on leave, but I still have to do some work. But I should be done around 12:01 hopefully. We ordered breakfast, and I'm going to show you guys in a bit. I'm still obsessing over my nails. Gosh, they're so cute. Oh my god, I'm so cute. I woke up like this. What's fine, babe? Pancakes, scrambled eggs, bacon, hot dog, syrup, and we have coffee. I like the eggs. Syrup is so nice. Hey guys, good morning. It's one day to my birthday. Why am I shouting? Okay, because of the generator sound. Yesterday, after I showed you guys I was working, I finished working really late. Yeah, I didn't do much. So I went to see a movie, and I went to see Black Widow. Mad movie, we totally recommend. Today we are going to Miss K. I'm going to Miss K. I want to get something from there, and then we'll go to the beach afterwards. Drum rolls. So my baby's got me a cute ass dress. I love it so much. So I'm going back there today. I want to get something, so that's where we're going now. This is my tips for this morning. Okay, let's go. Yeah, one is big. This one is big. This one is big. This one is okay. Both of them are size 6.
That's why I was talking about them.
I don't have. Happy birthday! Girl, you didn't have to. Oh my god. It's your friend ever. Hey guys, so we're at Landmark now.
Oh, exactly. That's why I paid me that.
Chica! That's a bad belly.
I will destroy this belly.
Ooh! Now the camel is shaking.
Eh?
She's shaking.
Shaking where?
I'm
Where
sorry for you.
She's shaking her thumb.
She's shaking where?
She's not moving.
Oh my god.
Cambodia.
See these haters. Haters. Bobrisky don't care. Anyhow, anyway, I'm having so much fun. Why is it so white? Okay, guys, the wind is so windy rather.
The wind is so windy.
It's so bloody windy. But yeah, we just finished taking pictures. Chica is shy. Chica is the one that doesn't rate my channel. You guys remember Chica? Thank you. Oh, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. My birthday. My birthday. Hey, hey, hey. I'm so hyped, but guess what? I'm not doing anything today. So I came back home last night. Yeah, I'm back home and we lit. We're not lit. Anyway, happy birthday to me. I'm so excited. What am I doing today? Nothing. I'm just going to be on my bed and respond to messages. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Anyway, I don't know, sure, plans can change, but for now, yeah. I'm actually editing the picture I want to post because I not do photo shoot though, but I have some pictures sure that I can post up on the gram. So yeah, I'm so happy. I don't know why. I already got the cake. So I think I will just go and shower now. Oh, the call I was on was from the office. It was my colleagues. So cute. They sang for me. So yeah, I would go and shower now and, you know, look cute and come back. My phone is buzzing. Like, my phone is blowing up, guy. I wish it could be like this every day. Alright, loves, I'll see you guys later. Okay. Oh, so we're getting ready for Bosala's birthday. We're going to Eco Atlantic.
Sorry, Rob.
And you say hello. Hi. Birthday girl. Shaky, shaky. It shake, it shake, it shake, it shake, it shake, it shake. Please, let me tell people. She has popped that champagne since yesterday. Guys, Bosala doesn't know I have work tomorrow. Like, oh, the light here. So we'll show you guys where we go to eat for the birthday. You know, cash madam. Bye.
Alone, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance? We'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been.
Oh my gosh, this is my only dance step, you guys. Then this one. So I think it's been like a week after my birthday. Yeah, I just dropped my camera. I think I overvlogged. If there's anything like overvlogging, I was just tired of camera, like get out of my face. So I dropped my camera and I was just living in the moment. My birthday, I think I had the best week. It was a very beautiful birthday. I'm just happy that I'm surrounded by beautiful people, amazing family and friends. Like, that's the best birthday gift. Yeah. So God, guys, my hair is rough. What? I need to look like a human being again. Anyway, so let me show you guys my birthday present. I'm super excited. Hold up. Okay, so I showed you guys this dress already that my friends got me. Tammy and Demi. Yeah, this beautiful ash red dress. I love it so much, my girls. Then I was gifted this bag as well. So cute. From my other friends, Dayo, Bimbo, Bola, and they got me cupcakes. I think you guys saw the cupcakes here. They're the ones that got me the cupcakes. And this bag. I got like 3 bags. And I got this cute ass bag. I love this bag so much. Because I don't have anything, like I do not have anything. I don't even use my money to buy stuff like this. So when my cousin gave me Lola Day, I was so pumped. So pretty. Love it. There's another bag. This one is from Chica. My girl. Come on. What? This bag is so cute. It's the hand for me though. Like, can you guys see? So pretty. Oh. So it's very spacious. I love my friends. I love you guys. My baby gave me this jewelry set from these guys. I don't know. It's like contemporary minimalist. Yeah. So this got tangled up a bit and my nails are making me so useless. But yeah, it's this very cute ass dainty piece. Oh, the sun. Okay, can you guys see? Cute, minimalist. I love it so much. I don't have anything like this. And it comes with earrings as well. It's like round earrings. What's left? We have this cute ass package from someone close to my heart. A very, very beautiful dress. It's like a long dress giving me dinner vibes. If you know me, you know I like wearing black. Like black is my go-to color first of all before purple. This is in size small, but it's actually big for me. I have a problem, guys. Happy birthday, Jennifer. That's right. Invite me for dinner, so I'll wear it. Thank you. God bless. Okay, that's it. Then I got myself some stuff. I got like jewelry, earrings, rings, and I got a top. I wanted to get more stuff, but when I got there, I'm like, is this all? Like, are these all the clothes? Like, where are the things I see on Instagram? Maybe they just didn't have stuff, and then they were big for me, so their size 6 was a bit loose, and I didn't want to start amending clothes, so I just got one top and jewelry. That's it. New age hoodies. Anyway, thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes, the love, yada yada yada, and hope you enjoy this vlog, because I calmed down to actually vlog. But hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.